Yo, what's up from Sanur? Isn't that beautiful place in Bali to enjoy? Today I'm in the area of where so many restaurants, including the Lila Pantai and all of them around. I'm gonna go into Hayat direction. Basically gonna take you to a stroll with me. Sanur is characteristic as you can find so many beautiful restaurants facing directly the ocean like this one. This is why so many people are enjoying actually. That's actually cool. And well, not so busy, I could say. It's like half hour to the sunset time, so usually at that time it's already quite busy, but it's low season in general. Maybe that's why. This is the Omba, nice place for the coffee or having a beer, a little doggo enjoying on the middle. They have finished already the promenade. So that's how does it look like in general. I will face a little bit of the ocean maybe. Recently I was actually every day I'm trying to show you a little bit of the ocean and water, right? This is the pizzeria, very nice place for the pizza. Actually not pizza, Coco Bistro, nice seating arrangement. They have a wooden pizza, very nice. Some people are running, some people are walking. This restaurant is now so big actually, it wasn't that big like that. And it's even successful, some people. And yeah, the only difference is since I was here last time, this is the Pantai Duyung, just in case if you ask, as you cannot park the car, so it's a little bit messy on the road over there. If you are driving a car here, that's complicated. And little puppy here, check this out. Oh, so sweet, and the scooters as well. Somebody asked me how much is it, 40k per hour I saw in one restaurant. And yeah, let's go into La Playa direction, which is just at the front. This is the La Playa. In case if you are interested, many expats like this place. This place is actually popular through the expats community. And then there is the Hyatt at the front. Also today in Sanur is the high tide, actually, as you can see right now. So yeah, not so many people swimming with high tide. There's actually some people swimming. Always good to swim in Sanur. If you like to, you can. As I said previously, not feeling 100% well, so very easy and slow video today. And I just want to show you the coast of the water. That's how does it look like. This is like a shady one with the shade from the trees. On the other side is already like beautiful sunny. Sunset is actually facing my face now, so it's better for the video quality. And the Hyatt is just at the front. That's how the beach looks like over here in Sanur. Always good to be in Sanur. This is the little bit of the situation of the Hyatt Regency in Sanur and the pizzeria restaurant, the best pizza in Bali so far. It was in 2020, 2021 and 2022 too. However, I didn't try in 2023 yet. Yeah, and that's how does it look like. Very beautiful beach, boats. They planted the palm trees recently, which is very good. I like it so much. Looks totally different and very enjoyable. Also Hyatt Regency looks very busy actually. This is one of the best hotels in Sanur so far right now. Not the cheapest, but it's still kinda affordable, I believe, because so many people actually enjoying after the new promenade is here and everything. So it's actually very cool. Yo, what's up? How you doing? People are happy. Local kids driving on the electric scooters. That's a swimming pool situation. And yeah, that's how does it look like. They have also pretty nice package for the Nyapi here. Nyapi is coming next week. Actually, let me know if you maybe some of you staying during the Bali and during the Nyapi right now in this year in Bali. Yeah, just let me know, just curious. And yeah, that's how does it look like. They also have a security who is making sure as everything is okay. Piece of empty land here. Actually, in this particular place, behind this is the property of Hyatt, but this piece of land here is empty. As you can see, mostly actually people who are driving these electric scooters, they are locals. They're really enjoying. Also, the doggo guy is still here, doing his regular stuff. Quite a lot of people. Oh, some foreigners also driving the scooters. So cool. So cool. I don't know what's going on. It's pretty crowded sometimes, time to time. So that's actually cool. Somebody last time said, as I'm walking quick nowadays, That's probably because of the experience in the big cities. I used to walk fast there. I'm also trying to make at least 10,000 steps a day, every single day, no matter where I am. It was sometimes I'm making even 20,000. So that's why I'm also a little bit more slim now, if I can say like that, which is actually good in my opinion. Trying to stay healthy, that's the most important thing. So this is the pizzeria, and it's not the best but good pizza in Sanur, and definitely affordable. They have a wooden firewood pizza oven and all of this stuff, so it's actually cool. Pretty affordable, not the cheapest one but affordable. Many actually restaurant options here around. Yeah, this is good for coffee. Morning, actually at morning is a little bit better here to make a video maybe, because it's brighter. Now it's everything like a grayish, but at morning is super hot. Even you come here just after sunrise, 20 minutes, 30 minutes after sunrise, it's already very, very hot. I park my motorbike somewhere behind some of those restaurants. This scooter is 40k per 1 hour. Enjoy your ride. Something here is going on. This one is closed already for half year, and I thought they're gonna do something extension of Lila, but seems like not. I'm not sure. Lila also surprisingly a little bit quiet today, and yeah, that's how does it look like. I start my video today here. Exactly here. This is my favorite corner. Very nice, beautiful. There is also the tour boy, and this is like a little path. So, and the fishermen at morning, you can see what they catched, and that's how does it look like. Also, this parking area is recently closed for the cars. Before I used to park the car when I had a car. Now it's not possible, but I drive Zwini's father and Max, so it's cool. Always happy to drive.
Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way.